A 2-pound white bread recipe for a bread machine uses 1½ cups of room temperature water. Make sure the kneading paddle is in the bread pan. 3 tablespoons of room temperature unsalted butter cut into small pieces. 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1½ teaspoons of salt, 4 cups of bread flour, a 1/4 cup of non-fat dry milk, 1½ teaspoons of bread machine or instant yeast. Add the ingredients in this order, especially if you're using a timer. If the yeast makes contact with the liquid, it will activate it. Select white bread. Select a 2-pound loaf. Select your crust setting, then press start.